Think about the conditioned nature of life. How can anything that is dependent upon other things be permanent? Life itself is conditioned, it has no permanence. Were our lives unconditioned to begin with, we could do whatever we want. But where in this life is there anything that lasts? Objects are merely perceptions. They have no true existence. All objects are the unreal, natural forms of emptiness. Perceptions or appearances themselves have no concrete existence. Only when our belief in appearances has been destroyed will appearances be beyond benefiting or harming. It is said, mind is merely thoughts free from ground and root. What we call mind is just conceptual thinking, concepts moving to the five sense objects, conceptualizing them. Mind is nothing more than one thought moving after the other.